Are you planning to build a budget PC for gaming, editing, office work in 2026? Or confused whether you should go for iGPU build or add a dedicated GPU later? Then this video is for you. In this video, we will cover i3 9th generation processor, iGPU PC build guide, best RAM, motherboard, storage, PSU, cabinet, best GPU options for upgrade, iGPU versus dedicated GPU performance comparison, power consumption and electric bill, full build cost, who should buy this PC, and final verdict and next video teaser. The Intel i3 9100 is a 9th generation quad-core processor with 4 core and 4 threads. It comes with base clock up to 3.6 GHz and turbo boost up to 4.2 GHz. It includes Intel USD graphics 630, which is enough for basic gaming, office work and light editing. The iGPU build guide. First, cooler support. The stock Intel cooler is enough for this processor. No need for extra cooling unless heavy long time gaming or editing. Second is RAM support. Maximum RAM support is 64 GB. The recommended 16 GB dual channel 8x2. Speed support up to 400 MHz, depends on motherboard. Third is motherboard support. Socket LGA 1151 is a 9th generation support board. Chipset H310, B365, B360. Recommended board is B365 for better upgraded option. Max RAM and megahertz depend on board, usually 32 to 64 GB and 400 to 666 MHz. Fourth, storage support. Support SATA SSD and hard disks. Also support NVMe SSD if motherboard supported. Recommended 256 GB and 512 GB SSD for OS and apps. Fifth, SMPS power supply. Minimum 300 watt. Recommended 400 watt to 450 watt. 80 plus certification not mandatory for iGPU build, but 80 plus bronze is better for stability and power saving. Sixth, cabinet. Any normal airflow cabinet is fine. Recommended 2 or 3 fans, 1 intake and 1 exhaust minimum. Gaming cabinet is not necessary for iGPU build. Best GPU upgrade options. First, low GPU. GT 1030 GDDR 5% only. Second, medium GPU. GTX 1650 4GB. Best budget balance. Third, best performance GPU clearance. 1. GTX 1660 Super or RTX 3050 is limited CPU bottleneck but best output for this CPU. After adding dedicated GPU, what is changes? When you add a dedicated GPU, these changes are recommended. PSU upgrade to 450 to 550 watt depending on GPU. Better airflow cabinet, at least 3 fans. Better RAM. Dual channel is mandatory. iGPU is automatically disabled or unused. CPU becomes main performance limiter in high-end GPU. Now, PC build list. First, iGPU list. i3 9th generation CPU, stock cooler, 16 GB RAM, 8x2, H310 or B365 motherboard, 256 GB or 512 GB SSD, 400 watt PSU and normal airflow cabinet with dedicated GPU build. i3 9th generation CPU, same stock cooler, same 16 GB RAM, 8x2, B365 motherboard, 512GB SSD plus hard disk is optional. GTX 1660 Super or RTX 3050, 450 to 550 watt PSU, but 80 plus bronze is recommended. Gaming airflow cabinet, 3 to 4 fans at least. Performance section, RGB performance, daily work, smooth browsing, office work, online classes, coding, etc. Gaming, low setting only, GTA 5, Valorant, CSGO, low setting play. No AAA high-end gaming. Video editing, Full HD basic editing is okay. 2K is laggy, 4K not recommended. Engineering software, AutoCAD, Smooth, SolidWorks, light project only. ANSYS limited performance. Heavy software, not ideal for heavy simulation and rendering. With dedicated GPU performance, daily work, very smooth. Gaming, Full HD, high setting smooth. 2K medium playable. 4K entry level only, depends on GPU. Video editing, Full HD is smooth. 2K good. 4K workable with RTX 3050. Engineering software, much faster render and simulation. Better GPU acceleration support. Heavy software, good performance depending on GPU. Power consumption and electric bill. IGPU setup, power uses 60 to 120 watt. Monthly bill is here in 5 hours a day. With GPU setup, power usage 150 to 30 watt. Monthly bill is here 5 hours a day. Total cost, IGPU build cost is here. With GPU build cost is here. Who should buy this PC? Students, office users, beginners in gaming, light video editor, and engineering students, basic to medium level. Okay then, if your budget is low, start with IGPU build and upgrade later with GPU. But if your focus is gaming or editing, go directly with a dedicated GPU build. In the next video, we will talk about Intel i5-9400 CPU details. So don't miss it.